Bill Gates donated $13 million to the Atlantic and the Guardian. What do they have to say about meat? And we all know that his plant-based, buying up farmland, making this fake slop food from monocropped agriculture as well as now bug food. We know he's heavily entwined in that and invested in that, right? Not to mention even George Soros. But let's look at some of the things that the Atlantic and the Guardian have had to say about diet, some of their diet propaganda. Climate-friendly diets can make a huge difference, even if you don't go all out vegan, except that's a lie. If you eat mass-produced monocropped plants and vegetables, nuts and seeds, whatever it is, you're making the climate worse. Period. Full stop. This is proven scientifically. There's research that shows that even if it's about ethics of killing animals, 1 square mile or meter or whatever the measurement was of plant-based agriculture, which is usually monocrop, it was just like one crop, heavily fertilized, lots of fossil fuels go into that. One crop of that kills more animals and has a worse carbon footprint than just having some cattle grazing on that same area, which actually regenerates the soil. Okay, the entire plant-based, better for environment is just, it's bunk, it's nonsense. Okay, next one, plant-based meat, by far the best climate investment. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. Plant-based meat is made from monocropped shit ingredients. It's a processed food, also heavily laden with seed oils. More propaganda for the Impossible Burger, which, mind you, I see sitting on the shelves. I don't think people are buying this shit, yet they're spending billions at this point trying to push it. They're going to fail, which I love, okay? And then we have the most damaging farm products, organic pasture-fed beef and lamb. Like, what the fuck are you talking about? These people, I mean, this corruption, I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't complain because they're going to fail. So let them waste their money. In fact, that's probably a good way to think about this. Let's take the optimist view of this perspective. These idiots that want to force plant-based food upon the masses, so then their investments in these processed food companies, it's all they are. It's just another form of processed food trying to pretend it's healthy and green. They're going to fail. Those companies are going to fail because people don't want it. Like biology speaks, you know? They're going to fail. And so all this money they're spending on this propaganda through these media outlets is going to be wasted. And then they will run out of power because they will run out of money. And these companies will slowly degrade into nothing or just be like some other processed food company that just like does what it does. So I really shouldn't be upset about it. But part of me is upset because people fall for this drivel, these lies, this deceit, this propaganda. And they think if they eat this way, they're going to be healthy when they're really just ingesting things that are bad for the environment and bad for their health.